Hi everyone, I'm Jonah, and today's tutorial replacing the engine air filter on your Mustang EcoBoost. So let's get started and open up the hood. Okay, let's locate our stock airbox. And here it is. Notice we have 3 tabs. One here, another one here, and a third one right here. Just watch out for these electrical wires attached. You don't want to accidentally unplug them, because you might have a check engine light when you start up the car. So we have 2 plastic clips here we have to undo. So to open up the airbox, we grab the airbox and we push it to the left and pull up, like so. Then just grab the old air filter and inspect it. Doesn't look that bad on top, but let's take a look at the bottom. Wow, it does look pretty dirty. I've got over 28,000 kilometers already, which is over 17,000 miles. And recommendation for changing these filters usually between 15,000 to 20,000 miles. And since our airbox is already opened up, let's do a little bit of cleaning. So I take one of my shop vac tubes and hold it up. Oops, first lesson. Always check your shop vac to see which side is the blower and which side is the vacuum side. Okay, now that's better. Here's my new Fram filter, 2 times engine protection. I picked it up at our local auto parts store. Looking at it side by side, you can really tell the big difference between the old one and the new one. And like I said before, I've got over 17,000 miles on it, so it is time for a new one. Okay, let's install the new Fram filter. Just want to make sure it's seated properly on all corners. Also, just want to make sure all those 3 tabs are in properly. And looks good to me. Now locking both clips in. I personally don't like these two plastic clips. I like the old metal ones better. I feel like these will easily break sometime in the future. Wow, take a look how much I'm having a problem putting this second clip in. Either it's a bad design or I just have no strength. Comment below, tell me what you think. Wow, really? OMG, finally. Now, just double checking, make sure the clips are in properly and the 3 tabs are seated right position. So just curious, comment below and tell me how much do you save by doing it yourself? And do you think it's worth it? And it looks all good to me. So if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest videos. Because this will help me make more DIY videos that help out our YouTube viewers like yourself. And as always, thanks for watching.